Yo, what up, traders? Got a red day today. I'm red back to back. I was red yesterday, lost about $10. I lost $4 a day. I didn't want to put the video up from yesterday. I just didn't want to do it, and probably would have lost a subscriber if I did yesterday. So I got 2 day trading days and one video today. So stay tuned for my losses. Yep. Yo, what up, traders? Back at you. Disappointing video. Let's get to it. So this is yesterday's. No, I'm sorry. This is today's action. Hold on. I thought I had yesterday's action first. Hold on. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is today's action here. And I only traded one stock, so I would say I only took one trade, and I didn't have any buying power today. And I added to my position 3 times here, so yeah, man, just nothing's working for me early on in the beginning of the year. Like my entries aren't bad. I have real good entries. You know, I'm buying into my strategy. It's just that I'm trying to get more money. I'm trying to get more cents, so I'm holding it for longer. I'm just holding it longer now, and I'm not trying to take it off for 5, 6, 10 cents. I want to get 20 cents or more, and by doing that, that's going to lower my winning percentage. So like right there, I'm in at 834 now. This is my internet. I had bad internet right here. I know this is sketch. This is sketchy trading right here. Sketchy internet. Everything about this trade is sketched. The level 2 is just everything's so jumpy. Now I'm seeing this action. How sporadic and jumpy everything is. Should just exit the position when I'm down like this. This is the stock I shouldn't trade it early on first day. Like this, we're gonna do a little analysis here. Like, even though I don't really have this spread out, but this is a downtrending stock. Look at it here, it's downtrending, right? So any pop that is gonna get, which it did, it gapped up today, it is gonna get sold into. You know, all these people, and this is the worst ugly daily chart, worse than this ear stock. This is a piece of shit stock. But they have people been holding this stock from $20, $30 range. So this is a bag holding stock. So you know, by me knowing that, and if I see this type of chart, I need to be quick with my trades. That's all it is too. I can't be holding on for a 20 cent, 30 cent pop. I have to get in and get out. I have to listen to the market. The market is telling me the stock is heavy. It's not going to pop. I need to just take whatever the market gives me. And the level 2 and everything about this stock screaming heavy sell pressure. Heavy sell pressure. Everything about the stock. So if you were short bias of this stock, you made a lot of money. So I took an ad spot there. Now I've 820 average. Like it just this stock it was just so frustrating because I got good spots. Like it's just no bounce. Like, you know, I'm up right now, and I was up like 7 cents before that. Look at that. Did you see level 2? You see that when it got to 825? Well, I said it's gonna get 825, and it's gonna just drop like almost 6, 7 cents. Like, look at that. You know, so like that's sketchy tape action to me, and you know, I think that's just my internet connection. My internet connection sucks. Very, very frustrating today, man. Cause I know I got some good spots. I know my entries are good. It's just that they were selling into this move so hard. Like this stock was just so heavy. I think I'm gonna take one more ad spot too. You see, like it's not that bad of an entry. Like it's not that bad of an entry. It's just not bouncing. It's just not going nowhere. Heavy sell pressure. Like that stock should at least bounce, man. Went tested highs already. But nope, not today. Yeah, I'm still look at that. Like that's why I'm still holding this position, because it acts like it wants to bounce and rip. And then look, and then this crap here. Look at that. This tape just froze for like freaking 10, 15 seconds, man. What the hell? the hell was that? Like this whole stock is screaming out, don't trade, don't trade, don't trade. Getting dumped on. So today is not that bad of a loss. I lost like today. I only lost $4, but I'm gonna show you yesterday's action. I lost $10 yesterday. Nothing was just bouncing. I would get in, I would get up a couple of cents, but I didn't hit my profit target, so I'm still holding, and I hold it for a loss. So I need to get better at that. I need to get better at reading the tape and be like, okay, I'm not going to get my profit target on this trade, so I need to take what the market gives me. I don't feel like doing this video, man. This is a piece of shit. Excuse my language. This is a piece of junk stock, man. This stock sucks. Like the stocks hold. Look at it. Like that's why I gonna say it's no manipulation, nothing like that. But like, is that a support level here? And this stock is just acting so heavy. Damn, stock is heavy. I should have been cut this. I know I'm not gonna get that. I know I'm not gonna. It's not gonna get back on 8. It didn't pull back too far. Should have been cut this off. Act like it water bouts. Look how heavy. Look at 8. There's a wall at 8. Wall at 8. Heavy sell pressure. Check out my video on how to identify heavy sell pressure. It doesn't look like this, but it's a good video to check out. Look at it. Look at the axe just going lower, lower, and lower. This is nothing but heavy sell pressure. This is a heavy sell pressure video, or this trade at least. So it didn't bounce. So I just got out, man. So I lost $4.68 today. All right, and then this is yesterday's action here, where I lost $10. You know, same setup as yesterday. This stock, actually, this is not that bad. It's not. I wish I had this more, zoomed in. But I don't think this is a bag holder stock, but it may be, because this doesn't do anything either. So I jumped in there. Well, I'm waiting to jump in there. I'm in there at 8.21. I'm gonna get a nice pop. Got a nice pop. Took it all off. I could have held it for longer. I should have held that longer. And I dropped 5 shares, and I'm up 61 cents on my first trade from yesterday. And this is where I get messed up at. Like I got over aggressive here because there's a couple of reasons why I got over aggressive, overconfident. One of the reasons is that the stock is very cheap, and I have buying power today, and I want to trade my buying power. So I traded this stock very aggressive. Like I overtraded it. I was in and out this stock too many times, and you're gonna see my P&L that I lose $10 here. Just in and out this stock, man. Just wasn't patient enough with this stock. I was buying 10 shares, and I don't know. I just had too much buying power for my own good. It seemed like. So got the halt resumption. Got a nice little dip. I jumped to that 469, and then when I get in there, the stock just like stops. Like look at that, like I couldn't get those 3 star shit. Like right now, I could be taking off with some profit. You know what I mean? But I'm not, because I'm trying to hold on to my stock. I'm trying to hold on and get my 20-cent rip. I don't get it on this trade. It's gonna go against me, and that's what's just so frustrating, man. Like I come usually them halt resumptions, man. You'll get you a nice little pop rip, man. You'll get you a nice pop. That junk didn't even test $5, man. This stock did not test $5 today, bro. And this stock was downtrend. This is a piece of shit downtrend stock, DTST. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, this was a downtrend stock. So I took an ass spot to VWAP. I'm in at 459 now, and we're not going to get a bounce. Like we're not going to get a bounce. I've taken other trades like this, the same trade, the same candle how it looks like this under the VWAP, and you get a bounce on my other videos. Just look at some of them. This stock here, heavy sell pressure. No bounce today. Or yesterday. And today, no, nothing bounced. So I'm still holding on to this position because I'm expecting to bounce. But now the level 2 is getting thick. Look at the axe. Look at that. Tape slowed down too right there. I need to be cutting it. But I took an ass spot. I'm in at 20 shares. Took an ass spot. Now I'm down 337. I'm down $3.37 on that halt resumption. That's my first trade of that day too. Yesterday. So now, the stock's not even flushing. Like, this stock was just hard to get a read on. Very, very hard to get a read on. Like, I stopped. It whipsawed me out a lot. Act like it wasn't going to bounce, and it does bounce. Act like it wasn't going to bounce, and it does bounce. Like, look, it's bouncing now. Let's see this. Look, it's bouncing. Bullshit. So I'm just looking for another entry. I'm just looking for the tape like it's lighting up. You know what I'm saying? To do something, but this tape is so thick. I don't know. Look at that. Look at that bounce, man. See that? Look at that. Should have been more patient. So then I jumped in there now, same position I was in before, 459. And this is going to be a winning trade because I'm going to hold on to this one. Trying to get that 20-cent pop. I'm up again. Got my first half filled, and I took the rest off there. So that was a nice trade. Well, now I'm down $1.47. Now I'm finna get fucked up, man. I'm finna get messed up. I was thinking that this stock was gonna pop up above 5, man. At least get a pop above 5, keep going up. Just never did. So here I'm chasing like a little breakout. This was a bad entry. That's why I don't do pet breakouts, man. This is a bad entry here. I chased this stock. Straight up chase. I was thinking I'm down $1.47. I was hoping to get that pop above 5. This didn't happen. I need to be cutting this shit. Or not taking 10 shares. I shouldn't even took 10 shares of this. Look at that. Nothing. Took another ass spot. And on why I'm taking these ass spots because of VWAPs down there. And the stock was holding up at the VWAP. That's why I'm taking these ass spots. Like, if this stock wasn't charted or there weren't no VWAP there, I probably just sold that off at the low. But anyway, I'm in at 477 now, 20 shares, $4.77. That's why I did not properly added my shares correctly. See, I'm in at 20 shares. So for me to get a lower average, for me to get a 10-cent decrease in my average if it goes against me, I gotta buy with 20 shares. And I know I'm not gonna have enough buying power to buy 20 shares. So I should have entered there. Like, this should have been 10. Like, I should have entered there with 5 shares. My first trade. Second trade should have been 5 shares. So I should have 10 shares here. So now if it I should be at 10 shares at 477. So if it goes against me, I add another 10 shares and I get my 10-cent decrease. That's how you average down. But yeah, I just didn't do my shares right. Now I'm down $4.85. I should have just quit for the day, right there. I should have just quit for the day. Still got buying power. But I'm gonna look for another trade. Like, nothing's really going on, man. This stock sucks. Still look at it this long. I'm going to enter soon here. It's at the VWAP, but look how heavy the tape is acting at the VWAP. When I say heavy tape, the level 2 is very thick and the tape is moving slow. That's heavy tape action to me. Wall at 469. Got through that. See, that's bullish, so that's why I jumped in there. And I think I get a pop. Or I might jump in. I think I get a pop or I just take it off. I get the pop. See that? It didn't feel me. Or I'm finna say it filled me. Okay. I took it off right there. So I was doing all right, man. I'm down $3.34. Like, I was doing all right, but I started running out of buying power. About to get messed up here in a minute. think I'm gonna jump back in there. Like I overtraded this stock, man. I really thought I was gonna get a breakout above 5. See how it act like it wants to break out. I'm gonna chase the hell out of this stock. I'm finna chase it, man. Big wall, man. This is heavy tape action. You guys are looking at heavy tape action. All right. Get this in y'all memory bank. Look at this video a couple times. This is what you call heavy tape action. It's always a wall, man, on the axe. Now I'm in there at 492, which is it's not a bad average. It's not a bad average for a breakout. It's just not gonna break out. And that's what's so frustrating, man, because this stock would have broken out already if this wasn't just so much selling pressure up there. I just took it off right there, man. I didn't even try. Now I'm down 393. You know, I'm managing my position well, but I'm gonna get messed up here in a minute. Okay, yeah, this is where I get messed up at. ISIG. Look at that. Straight up chase, man. Straight up chase, man. Straight up chase. Straight up chase. I can't believe I did this. Like, look where I bought it. So, look where I bought it. I bought at a resistance level, man. I bought at a low, which is a resistance level, bro. Now, this is probably the a trade I hate. I couldn't stand. I couldn't believe I did this trade. Stupid. Low volume, nothing, and I'm getting dumped on. Should have sold this. Look at this. Look at this volume. Nothing. Bullshit. I should have cut this. At it there. Now I'm at 21, 23. That was like that average didn't make no difference at all. I'm down like $1 per share, almost a $9 per share. Now I'm at 30 something cents, and I'm down 22 cents. But it's just that average didn't do anything. 21 became a wall. The bid-ask spread is just so wide. Can't get no bounce. Now I thought I was gonna bounce right here at 21.28, but then look at the ad, look at the wall at 21.28. It was a slick hidden seller right there. 28 here. So look, it's gonna refresh. Like if you look, you got the grids come through, but there's like a little hidden seller here because the axe size was refreshing. Well, it just went lower there, but that when it was at we're running back when it was at 21.18, the axe size refreshed. So I should have saw that. Actually, I should have been aware of that, and I should have dumped it. Now I'm getting dumped on miserably. Yep. Bad trade. Yeah. So couldn't stand the heat no more. Took it off for a loss. So I lost $10.68 yesterday. Yep. So total in my account, I'm down about now I'm probably down about $40 total in that account. Like I said, next week I'm gonna start putting in my trader view stats. So thank you guys for watching.